What's so great about the classroom matinees is the live theater provides kids with the immediacy of a situation. Instantly, they're connected to a situation, and then they can take that experience, and it's given them something. Oh, we could talk about this concrete happening that happened in the play.
To have that opportunity to have a professional production come to them in their own environment, to get the opportunity to see something of this caliber, and then afterwards be able to go into the workshops with the performers, to talk to them one-on-one, to discuss the things that they saw in the play.
Was kicked, and that kind of examined bullying from the point of view of the person who bullies and the one who is bullied. So the kids would be going, oh, you know, like that. They were recognizing that, which was really good.
The Cleveland Playhouse just brings just years and experience and talent to share with our students. It gives our students something to look up to, some people to look up to. You know, they set the example for our kids.
No Silly Season. We had the K through 5 experience that, but really it's a theme that fits all women and men no matter their age, because it has to do with, should I tell the truth and get in trouble, or should I lie and let someone else suffer the consequences?
Class, what do you think? When we hide the truth, are we lying? Yes. John, the class agrees that you would be lying.
Well, sometimes telling the truth can get you into pretty big trouble.
They're so excited, and then because it's so instant and immediate, you can hear them gasping, laughing, you know, and cheering at all various different times, because we've had two very interactive plays.
The chance to interact with the students after the performance was always the thing that I found the most rewarding, to hear what they had thought about the performance, to gauge what they had kind of gotten out of it, and to have that one-on-one interaction